big lead over other traders. I think some others, folks I know here like Crypto Mom might be more patient
I just posted.
and play a bit of a game theory where they see how other traders are doing and then try to catch up in the last round. I think it comes down to the last round, honestly, though, because of 500x leverage, it'll make or break your game.
The leverage is a key component, right? It's like that old saying, there's no such thing as an atheist in a foxhole, right?
That's right. That's right.
So I know we have a video that's prepared to kind of walk people through how to onboard to Avantis. You want to take over and roll the walkthrough?
Hello everyone,
Let's
and
roll the
welcome back
walkthrough.
to the Crypto Snake
Let's do it.
channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up and getting started with the Coinbase wallet. Let's get started. The Coinbase wallet is accessible as both a mobile app and a desktop browser extension. In this tutorial, we will focus on the mobile app version. To get started, head over to the Apple or Google Play Store to download the app. Note that there are two Coinbase apps available, the Coinbase Exchange app and the Decentralized Wallet. Make sure you install Coinbase Wallet, NFTs, and crypto. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it and start creating your new wallet by selecting Create New Wallet. Create a 6-digit passcode. This passcode is essential for accessing your wallet, conducting transactions, and managing your assets. After successfully creating your wallet, you'll have the option to claim a unique username. This username can be utilized within the Coinbase network, enabling other users on the network to send you transactions and assets by simply entering your username. Enter your desired username and proceed. Congratulations, your wallet has been created. Before exploring the wallet features, it's crucial to create a backup. Go to Settings, click on Security, and choose the wallet you wish to backup. Enter your 6-digit passcode to proceed. Coinbase Wallet will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. Ensure you are in a private area where only you can see your screen. When ready, press and hold to reveal the generated words. Due to security concerns, we do not recommend backing up your wallet to the cloud. Instead, write down the words in a safe place, maintaining the same order, and select Backup manually. Confirm that you have saved the recovery phrase and click Complete Backup. Congratulations, your wallet is now backed up. Make sure to store your recovery phrase in a secure place. It's crucial to have it to recover your wallet if you ever lose your device. Losing your recovery phrase means losing access to your wallet and crypto assets permanently. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as doing so may compromise the security of your wallet. Now that the wallet is backed up, let's receive some coins. Navigate to Assets on the left and click Receive. Select your preferred crypto. For this tutorial, we are using Ethereum, and copy your address by clicking it. You can also show your QR code to the sender. Once the transaction is processed and confirmed, the funds will appear in your wallet in the top left corner and also in the list of assets below. You can press on the asset to check its current statistics and to perform additional transactions such as buy, swap, bridge, send, receive, and stake. Let's send some coins. As mentioned, you can do it directly from the Asset Breakdown tab by clicking Send, or you can return to the previous menu and click Send. Enter the amount you wish to send and click Next. Scan the recipient's QR code or paste their address and click Confirm. Before proceeding, you have the option to adjust the network fee. For a slower transaction, the gas fee is lower, and for a faster transaction, the fee is higher. Review your details, and when you are ready, click Confirm and enter your 6-digit passcode. Congratulations, your transaction has been sent. You will be redirected to the Transactions menu, where you can see your received, sent, or pending transactions. Access transaction information by clicking on it, and for a more detailed breakdown, select View on Etherscan. When you return to the Assets page, you will see your updated balance. From here, you can perform other actions such as buying assets, swapping assets directly from the wallet, and bridging assets by moving them from one blockchain to another. Among other features, you can explore NFTs, some of which are available for free, access various Web3 and decentralized applications on the browser tab, and stay up to date with the latest news, trends, and more. Adjust your preferences in the Settings tab, and if you select Manage My Wallets, you can add a new address to your existing wallet, create a new wallet, import an existing wallet, and review your recovery phrase. That's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to check the Crypto Snake Deals page to see the latest discounts and promo codes. Hodl strong, and I'll catch you later.
I'm chilling in private with my cold storage, checking my portfolio. I love orange. If you wanna go offline, I support the switch. You'll get peace of mind as you grow more rich.
See a QR code up on the screen, and if you basically scan it, it'll help you make a base wallet, and will send you automatically $10 funded by Battle Trade and Avantis, so you can trade alongside these wonderful traders that you'll be watching on screen today. You don't need to fund it yourself. You don't need gas. We're fully gasless. So just hit the QR code, take the airdrop funds, and have.
For those of you that have never used a base wallet, ultimately it's one of the easiest things that you can onboard in crypto today. Like Ray said, basically open your phone, log in, and you're ready to rock. Now, believe that there will be a QR code up on the screen in just a few minutes that'll give you a way to sign in and grab, I think, what, $10? $10, free, sweet. So run your own trade yourself. Ray, let me ask you this. So one of the unique features of Avantis is that it's a zero-fee perp platform. Why does that matter?
Yeah, so it's actually a concept we invented about a year ago, a brand new paradigm shift in perp trading. And what we discovered was the fees that all these traders were paying on different platforms were eating away at their capital. And it was oftentimes a deterrent for new traders to come on to trade perps. So we created ZFP, zero fee perps, where you don't pay any fees unless you make money. So any positions where you lose money, you pay zero fees. And then we just take a small win share on any winning trades that you might have. But it's a great product for new traders and old traders alike. And we also allow you to trade very, very high leverage, up to 1000x with it.
Ooh, 1000x leverage, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of leverage, man.
That is a lot of leverage. You can do a lot with a little. So one last thing, right? So Avantis is on Base. What does that mean for somebody who's never used Base before?
Yeah, so Base is Coinbase's blockchain, has been around for a couple of years now. We love Base, and we're actually the first project to be ever funded by Base, fun fact. And we love it because it's really fast. It's very cheap from a gas perspective. We actually pay for all your gas. So you don't even feel any difference between the DEX and the SEX in this case.
So one more, for somebody who's watching, who's never traded a perp even remotely, or is questioning what is a perp, let's take a step back and give us a kind of breakdown on what is a perp overall? What type of asset is it?
Yeah, so perp's a perpetual future contract. It basically tracks the price of any given asset through oracles that we pull in these price feeds from. Given these price feeds, it allows you to speculate and trade long or short with a lot of leverage. In our case, up to 1000x. And what leverage means, it means you can control a much bigger position size with only a little bit of cash on hand. So if you had $1 that you put down, but then you got 100x leverage, that means you're controlling a $100 position. So what that means is a small move, you could make a bunch of money, but also a small move, you could also get liquidated and lose your collateral. So you have to be careful with leverage.
So that's another good question I think that a lot of people maybe not be aware of. What happens when you get liquidated? Can you go negative in crypto? Like how does all that work?
Yeah, so you can't go negative. The max you can lose is the amount of collateral you put into that one trade. So in my example, the max you can lose is $1. But the max you can win theoretically is unlimited.
So if I've got a $2,000 position and I've got 1,000x leverage, you're telling me that I'm basically trading $2 million in volume?
Yeah, that's right.
Nice. And worst case, get liquidated. Best case, buy an island.
Yeah, whichever one you prefer.
Awesome. So with that, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit about what these rounds are broken down as, and then we'll introduce you to the team. So again, quick breakdown for those of you who are just joining. There are 4 rounds for Battle Trade Consensus Miami. Round 1 is more of a practice round. It's 10 minutes. It's kind of a wide open, free for all, small trades only, though, so people can just get familiar. Round 2 is where the leverage kicks in. So 10x minimum leverage for all trades or positions that are being placed. Lowest P&L gets eliminated. Round 3 is 100x. Again, lowest P&L gets eliminated. Then round 4 is a head-to-head 500x perp trading battle where somebody hopefully is going to walk away with some money. Now, let's meet the traders. Let's start with one of the 4. So, Jeremy, let's talk to you first. So up first is Jeremy Lab. Jeremy, you've got a station with $100 in it on an Avantis account, a chart in front of you, and 10 minutes of free trading on round 1. Welcome to Battle Trade, first of all.
Oh, great to be here.
We love having you. So tell us this, do you have a strategy coming into the event this afternoon?
Yeah, basically, depending on the volatility of the market, if the market's really tight, just like let other people try to trade the chop and like basically lose, and then try to like catch the trades that actually win at like when they actually break out. I mean, that's like my core strategy is to like hopefully, just chill until something real emerges.
Sometimes the best strategy is trying to lose the least amount of money.
Yes,
at the end of the day,
right? Because it's not possible without any volatility to actually make any money. So identify the market, trade what like actually appears, and not lose money just because.
Be composed. You can't get hyped up, and you certainly don't want to revenge trade your way to success. That's for sure. Ray, you got any questions for Jeremy?
Yeah, sure. So I guess like you've been in Germany, I've known you for a while. You've been a perp trader for a long time. What has been the biggest lesson you've learned being a multi-year perp trader?
Really, it's about not trying to make up your losses quickly. Like if you take a loss, like, and you usually trade 100x, don't go to 200x, don't go to 300x. Trade your plan, trade a method. Don't try to make up losses like immediately is probably the biggest mistake. And it's something that like I struggle with. I think a lot of people struggle with the notion of trying to get caught up and to make up for like mistakes or things that are missed. Also, just like not to chase. If you miss something, just like let it go. Don't constantly try to like chase it when it's late. Like have a plan and follow it.
When it's running away from you.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Let me ask you this, Jeremy. At what point do you stand up and walk away from the desk?
Probably if you like lose like about 6 or 7 times in a row. And at that point, you're literally trading like everything is going wrong. You're buying the lows, selling the highs. And that's because you're chasing. You become like you're not in rhythm. You're reactive rather than seeing the market where it's going to go. You're basically trading where it's been. So almost everything you're trading is going to be wrong or late. And the only way you can actually win at that point is to get lucky and to have it like break out of the range. It's like a difference between like actually trading the market and actually having it slow down and see where it's going versus trading it in a reactive fashion where you're kind of like chasing it or feeling like you're missing stuff. It's also like if you get into prospect theory, like how you're like, if you're in the domain of gains or losses, once you're in the domain of losses, you're going to be very reactive and you're going to have a hard time properly evaluating risk.
You got to know when you're the cooler and get up and walk away sometimes.
Yeah, 100%.
Thanks, Jeremy. So we'll be coming back to you in a little bit. Let's dive into the next trader who is up, Crypto Mommy. Karen, say hi.
Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Wow,
Hello.
wow.
Okay. Hello,
Loud and
hello.
clear. So let me ask you, hello. So tell us, what's your most highest conviction trade right now? What have you been doing lately in the market?
Oh man, it's kind of been chop lately, to be honest. And I'm traditionally, I think most people who I've traded with for a few years know that I'm traditionally a short seller. So it's a very different market for me right now. I've taken mostly longer term swings. The reason why I usually short the market though is because, everything from looking at fundamental analysis of how a token structure is usually done and launched with a project, you can get some really good shorts in there on the lower time frame. But in this particular market right now, I've changed. I usually I use EMAs a lot, like as a kind of like a just to gauge where we are. But at the same time, I've started to use like a more liquidity theory kind of metric, which means if you're looking at where the liquidity is, right? So where the liquidation levels are. The reason why is in a lower liquid environment, if there's a lot of money on the sideline that hasn't come in, the market wants this liquidity. It needs to go find it, needs to go seek it. So if you go into any heat map, which actually looks for liquidity, what you're able to see is the levels of liquidation that the price will go to. It's a magnet. It's pretty much like going to hit there because it's going to take it from the market. That's when you see all the news threads of like $180 million just wiped in 1 second on the market. That's liquidity theory. It's a heat map. I'm excited to be here in this competition. I've started using Avantis. I think it's great for all traders, but I think it's good for learning your mechanics, learning your basics. I think the fact that it's fee free and that you're able to actually get in those reps. So I'm a huge believer in mechanics. So mechanics are actually going to be able to kind of teach you how to trade, who you are as a trader, what your risk is, how you cut, how you enter, set your limits. And the best way to do it is perp dex trading because you're able to do it many, many times, get in as many reps in for the lowest cost possible. So just thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Crypto Mom, that was a whole speech you just gave there.
I'm
love it. I
sorry.
love it.
I'm sorry. I'm
You
like
come
super
prepared.
passionate.
There you go.
You
I'm
come
super
prepared.
That's
passionate.
right.
The one thing I will say though is I just want to give a shout out to my 4 beautiful kids. They're amazing.
Yay.
Hi guys. And I might not
Hi,
win
kids.
because I usually wear these lucky earrings that my kids made me, and I don't have them on right now. So I
Aw.
know.
Well,
So
our 4 little favorite perp traders, right?
they have messed around on my computer before and sent Bitcoin to people, which without me knowing, but it wasn't a lot. You don't keep a lot in your.
They're doing like 200 million in volume on Avantis. You have no idea.
They're our whales, man. I
That's
love
right.
it.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, no age
Crypto Mom, I have a
restriction.
question for you. I have another question for you.
Sure.
So, you're a very technical trader. You've done a lot of homework. We were talking about this earlier today, actually, this morning.
Yeah.
All the charts and setups that you've been talking about. I think in this type of battle trade environment, obviously very different from your typical trading setup because very fast paced. These rounds are really fast. In
Yep.
situations where, say, 5 or 10 minutes into a round, you don't get that perfect setup that you were looking for, what do you do in this case? Do you just keep waiting it out, or do you kind of put on a, okay trade?
No, I mean, I think if there's 1 minute left, I mean, in this instance today, it's like, just go for broke. I mean, what do you have to lose? I usually am not trading like that. Please don't do that at home. But basically it's, yeah, right. Not financial advice. It's basically, you look for, you go down to as low as possible, 1 minute to the tick to the 30-second. And, sometimes you just have to force it in a competition. And so you go 500x like on the 30-second and trying to trade the momentum, but open, close, quick. I mean, you got to be in, out, in, out, in, out, in order
Yep.
to make sure that you capture what you want to capture.
You're hitting on probably what we feel is like the real key difference in the battle trade format. It's that you're literally scalping candles on a minute to minute
Yeah.
basis, not really,
Yeah.
not so much holding with conviction, which is kind of by design at the end of the day. Perps are something that if you're trading, one would hope that you're either sitting at your desktop or have your phone on you, and not just letting it ride, you know. But Karen, you're awesome. Best of luck. We have confidence. You're going to give all the guys a run for their money.
Thanks, guys.
So you got it. So Tashar, you're up next. Tell us, man, give us the breakdown on Tashar's perp journey. When did you start? What's the strategy that you have coming into the event today?
Yeah, for sure. Can you hear me? Can you just let me know if I'm audible?
Yeah, you sound great.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, I mean, I started perp trading, I mean, not in crypto, but in general, perp trading almost 4, 5 years ago because I made some money. I'm like, let's make more money. And then I lost a lot of money in perp trading. And that's how I learned that I don't know how to do perp trading. So I ignored it for years. Then I saw Avantis 2.2 years ago, roughly, due to a friend working at Avantis. And he is like, Tushar, we have brought 500x leverage. It's fun. I'm like, sure, let me try it. And that's how basically I got back into perps trading. So yeah, it's fun. I do it for fun. I never do it like properly full time with a lot of capital. I just do it whenever I'm bored. Fun fact, I have taught perps trading to my father through Aventis. That's like a funny story.
Nice. That's
So like
awesome.
yeah, because my father finds everything very complicated. But just Aventis being couple of clicks, I showed him, and then he was also playing with Aventis, which was super fun. So yeah, that's there. And yeah,
Amazing.
and for today's strategy, it's very simple strategy. I'm a content creator. I believe in creating content and bringing smiles to people. And that's why for today, the strategy is very simple, which is a coin toss. So I basically have this coin toss. I just click on it. If it's head, I'm going to open a long position. If it tails, I'm going to open a short position. Very simple, no
There
complication.
you go. If you win this thing based on total random strategy, man, we got to clone you and make you into a financial trading bot. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, guys, we're coming up on the practice round. Andy, want to talk to you a little bit. Tell us about what your game plan is. We've got about 3 minutes before we kick this thing off. So, what's your plan today?
Plan, I'm just going to be using the vibes similar to Shar there. We're just going to go ahead and just let the vibes guide us today. I mean, yesterday was May 4th, so I'm hoping the force is with me today and just carrying over a little bit. So definitely a lot more luck to my strategy for sure.
I didn't even realize it was Cinco de Mayo today. So happy Cinco de Mayo to all of you. I'm sure that after you're done, you'll go have a good evening. So, guys, well, Andy, tell me, what are you planning on doing? Are you thinking you're going to short more? You're going to long more? Do you have any asset in
Well,
mind in particular? Just going to go to hard on Bitcoin? What's your thoughts?
well, as this was loading up, I drew on the chart Mr. Lucky, and it just so happened that the bottom of the Lucky ended up being like a resistance line. And I was really wanting to short it, but I didn't want to go over the $100, obviously. And it would have been a major hit, would have been like a 5% swing there. So I'm thinking short might be the play. Like I've traded before, but technical analysis nowhere near to the level of knowledge of Crypto Mom or anyone else here. Again, just gonna be with the vibes. I think shorting's a little bit easier sometimes with how volatile the markets are right now. But yeah, we're just gonna kick back and just freaking go with the vibes, man. I believe I'll be losing until the very end, and then something magical will happen. That's my prediction.
That feels like trading, right? Sometimes you're losing and then you win, or you're winning and then all of a sudden you lose. That's par for the course. Well, Ray, anything you wanted to say to the players before we dive in to
Yeah. I just want to say, like, what you see here is a great representation of all the diversity of traders that you can have on platforms like Avantis and competitions like Vital Trade. You have two huge nerds looking at technicals with 5 screens. You have Tushar flipping coins that go long or short. And then you have Andy somewhere in the middle that's kind of
Yeah.
deep gen, but also, knows a little bit about setups.
Very good sample size.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
We
Yes,
did a
sir.
good job sampling, I would say. Awesome. Well, guys, let's kick this thing off. Practice round is going to start in 5, 4, and we're going to have a countdown timer that'll kick. And once the timer is done, start trading. Yeah, here we go. Sorry, it's a 20-second countdown. And I do love that little smiley face chart. That is, yeah, very, very nice. This is actually the second or third time I've seen people drawing people
Oh, yeah?
on the chart. Yeah, who knows? Guys, the round is live. Get it going. Tashar's already got a 500x long going, it looks like, with ETH. How we looking, man?
I mean, I want to short it, but the coin toss was head, so I had to long it. And I'm in profit. Let's go.
Oh my
There you
God,
go.
that's
Look
awesome.
at that. Turns on a dime.
Oh, that's awesome.
GG. 5% profit. Let's go. Oh, 10%. Let's go. Damn. But it's a practice round. Shit.
Move it. If it was 100 grand, look at that.
Yeah, close. Done. 10% profit is not bad.
Not. Jeremy, how do you feel about your competition, man?
Jeremy, I think you might be muted.
Yeah, I think that the crypto might be a little tough. I also am
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
concerned. Yeah,
My
I'm somewhat.
entries are, my entries on
You
this
don't mean
practice
the-
run are crap.
Well, yeah.
I thought you
mean,
meant the
that's what
coin flip guy might be tough. Is that
I'm
what you
actually,
meant to say?
I'm actually somewhat concerned with him. It's like, as you guys know the stats, the majority of people who trade lose. So being random is
Yeah.
actually a pretty great winning strategy, in fact. So it's
The
like
market can't.
he could do very well. It's like, especially in a very tight consolidated market, just going in randomly is actually a really great strategy because you're not going to go in late. You're going to go against what is obvious. So he could be like a true challenge because he's going to basically be going against us. So he could very easily win. But because like we're going to be seeing the more obvious trades, well, he's going to be completely disconnected from what's actually on the screen.
Oh my God. I love how Jeremy's giving like a detailed
Great
game theory
Yeah,
analysis
killer.
of literally a random coin flip.
That's right.
Tushar, does that make you feel good or bad?
It makes me feel nothing, to be honest. I'm just here to
Feel nothing.
destroy
That's what
everyone.
happens after you perp trade for
Not
so
enough.
long. You lose all feeling.
Not enough leverage. Not enough. If you feel nothing, it's not enough leverage.
Right.
That's the joke, right? If you want to feel
Yeah,
something higher.
What is it?
We need
High
10,000
risk
leverage.
behavior?
Well, Tushar, before you put on the next trade, show us the coin flip, man.
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
Yeah, I mean, this one trade was bad, but okay, yeah, sure. So basically, here, I mean, first what I do is I select a random asset. So we are going to go with, let's say, Amazon for this one. And
500x
then I
Amazon.
flip it and it's heads. So I will open a long position. What's the maximum leverage I can do? That is something I have to figure out. Uh, oh, it's just 5x. Damn, that's sad.
Yeah, Amazon's only 5x. You might have to reflip.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay,
there's not
damn.
much volatility in the
I am going with
AMX
Bitcoin.
Anyway,
chart.
anyway, it's
Leverage.
like if anyone like there's actually a decent short that's occurring.
What
If it's
is
a real
Bitcoin?
there's a no Solana.
Oh,
Solana. Okay.
If this was a real round, I would have gone in with like real size.
Oh,
Yeah,
There you
I
go.
went in. I was in there.
Which,
I got
speaking
out.
of, guys, speaking
now
of,
shorting it.
the timer is a little bit long, so I'm going to call it in 4 minutes and 30 seconds, and then we'll do a little recap, and then we'll dive into the actual 10x leverage round, and hopefully throw it all on the line as many times as you can.
Beautiful. Yeah, I got the tail end of that Solana. I was holding that for a while. I was sweating a little bit. 500x leverage. Whew.
I
Yeah,
lost
if you
money
only-
too.
It's fun, right? Like Tushar said, it's fun to trade perps at the end of the day, guys. Which, those of you that are just joining us, there's a QR code on the screen. If you scan the QR code, you'll get a free $10 credit to actually use on Avantis. Hop on, throw something on 500x.
yeah. Make money with our money. That's what I
right.
want.
Make money with raise money. That's what it's all about.
That's what we're trying to do right now. Make money on raise
Yeah,
money.
exactly.
And I just want to say, like, you guys think it's impossible, but one of our best partners, this guy named Poet on X. He's Cryptic Poet. A lot of people follow him. Everyone in the base community follows him. He just posted a screenshot proof. He was able to turn a few $100s into 35K in a few days.
Oh,
No lie.
Wow.
whoa, what was he trading?
He was trading 500x ETH punts basically,
Yeah.
using but he's not like flipping coins like Tushar. He looks at RSI.
It would be crazy if he was flipping coins like Tushar and still hit it, man. That'd be rad.
That would be rad.
So let's see what's going on the board. And he's up with $1.29, dude. Look at you go.
Yeah, whatever
It was all
he's
part of
painting
the
and
chart,
drawing,
baby.
it's working.
That's right.
Oh yeah, look at this chart. Look at this chart. I see a word lucky. I see a kid.
Mr. Lucky.
I see a smiley face.
Mr. Lucky.
It's
Does he have a
funny
hat
because
on?
no, I should add the hat for sure. No,
You
but
gotta
it's
put a
funny
little-
because like
little
this
bucket hat
Lucky
on.
ended up being like a resistance line. Like it's really funny. That's why he's Mr. Lucky, I guess. Like it was literally was like a perfect line. So I knew like if it doesn't make it, it'll probably go down, and that's how I made the $1. So it is all luck, but I was like, my gut was like, I think it's about to crash because it got rejected again.
All right, guys, 2 minutes of the practice round, and then we will punt and go into round one. So now that you guys are kind of getting familiar with the process, if you hadn't traded on Avantis yet, it's fast, it's easy, right? Great front end, great UI UX. Any thoughts on, simplicity, design?
I mean,
I'll
yeah,
just say-
I would
yeah.
I'll just say the best thing is there's no fees on losses, because the worst thing is to basically take a really large position and take a loss and then take like a $300 loss on top of your large position that you lost on, or to basically hold a position because you don't want to basically take a $300 loss even though you could break even. So that's like the best thing about Avantis. It's like they don't actually take a fee when you lose. It's truly like life-changing.
It's altruistic.
We like giving money to the people
That's right.
as opposed to taking it ourselves.
Yeah, the other thing I think is interesting is that, and I've had to take time to get used to it, is that I usually follow order books and order flow. And, Avantis uses a price oracle model. I think for certain assets and traders and the types of traders, like using a price oracle model actually makes a lot more sense, right? Because you're not getting the slippage within the bid-ask spread. And so it can be really advantageous for somebody who's new, who's probably going to start with market orders versus limit orders. and they're going to be able to actually execute and most closely get the price that they think that they're going to enter on. Versus, you know, with the order book, sometimes you enter and you're like, oh crap, like why was my entry like here? Now, right now, I'm being totally transparent.
$20 less.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Because
Yeah.
because you need the PvP both sides of the book. So, you know, I'm getting used to the Oracle model side, but I think what's cool about it is you can most closely track it to what you would consider spot. And in the commodities market, like especially in oil and gold, it's like there really is only one price index for that. It's not spread across like 20 different trading view charts because you have 20 different exchanges running 20 different market makers, allowing them to trade it, you know? And so I don't know if you guys see that on the commodity side. I think it's very attractive to trade commodities here because of that.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And this is actually where we'll be announcing our V2 of our whole exchange in the next month and a half, and that we're doubling down on that exact thing, CryptoMom, that you said, which is offering many more commodities, currencies, RWAs with the deepest liquidity and the most leverage with effectively zero slippage. And that's because of our AMM model, we're not an order book, but also we have like a great risk management on our platform. So you see traders come on and they'll put on a $3 or $5 million clip on gold or silver or Bitcoin and have zero slippage.
Nice. Okay, guys. So just killed the practice round there. You know, got that through. Everybody survived. Nobody got eliminated.
I was the lowest though.
I don't know. Well, let's see. Yeah, you were.
Yeah,
that's
I was.
okay.
I know. That's
it's
okay.
all right. It's only like 51 cents, so it's not too much. But let's get going here shortly. So, all right, we've made it through the practice round. Everybody feels comfortable now. We know how to do leverage. We know the slider. We know how we can actually set our trades. So, guys, before we dive in, Ray, is there anything that you want to say to the players before we get cooking?
Yeah, I'd say this next round will be really interesting. I'm excited to see what assets everyone is trading with how much leverage. You guys have a ton of autonomy with this next round before we lock in and go higher leverage with majors only. So let's see what everyone trades.
Yeah, guys. Again, it's already raised money. You can't lose it. Right? Who cares? Let's just see what we can throw up there on the board. So with that, let's start it off in about 10 seconds. Right. So we'll kick off round one in about 10. So with that, let's call it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kicking off round two, 10x leverage minimum. Place your trades. You got 20 minutes. Timer starts now.
20 minutes. Wow.
Here we go.
I like
20-minute round.
I got a huge position on Solana right now. I'm just riding it out, man. Come on.
Woo!
Alice, can you give us a 10-minute mark and then a 5-minute mark? Perfect.
Yep. And then I'll count you down also. And then we have a timer that should pull up at the last 10 seconds, which will tell you all trade stops. Now, what you do need to do when we're coming into the round is that you do need to close your trades before the end of the round in order to make sure that everything starts clean. Again, I'll lead you in. I'll give you a 10-second timer, close everything out. We'll see the leaderboard settle and we're good to go.
Perfect.
Cool.
Beautiful.
Mr. Lucky's already coming out of the gate, it looks like.
It looked like it was going to keep going. Stop buying this. Come on, people, stop it. Oh no, Mr. Lucky's about to make a major L possibly. Oh man. I've never wanted Solana to crash so much in my life.
It's weird. Like it's technically still strong, but I'm short. Probably a mistake.
Yeah, no, it's like a 50-50 right now.
It's so
I lost
choppy,
a bunch
though.
of money just moving. I moved into Solana to play a Web3 game. Then the game got delayed, and I looked, and I was down like $1,100 because Solana decided to tank. And I was like, oh, I didn't even play the game, and I lost money.
That's what you get for playing games on Solana.
Unbelievable. Hey, man, some of those...
This is why we're base.
That's why it's base, man.
Hey, base game. Yeah, sign me up. Get some base games going. I'm about it.
You got one. You're playing one right now.
I guess it is. Yeah, no, it is quite stressful.
Facts.
Never felt so alive until I was trading perps on Avantis.
That That's a clip.
That's pretty good.
That's a clip right there.
Come on. No. Oh no. As soon as I say that. Oh man. This is bad.
Need more
not
screaming
good.
from
It's
Tushar.
like it is. It's like there's
I
nothing.
mean-
It's like it's so easy just to flip back and forth in this. In
Yeah.
reality,
Yes.
you look at this like afterwards, it's going to be like, oh, it's obviously a buy. The moving average was still strong. MACD strong. Like everything's like a buy. It's just being like
It's tough,
hyper
though.
focused.
I'm
It's-
just looking for a couple dollars here, a couple dollars there. This is the longest position I've held. And I'm just like, I'm praying. I'm praying for its downfall.
Tough on the 1 minute though, or the, it's on the 5 minute, 1 minute. It's pretty choppy to be honest. But yeah, that's the tough part. Because I believe in EMAs
Just-
and the MACD, but usually on the 5 to 15.
I agree.
Come on.
Wow, Tushar has 6 positions open. I just want to point that out. real quick.
Wow.
Nice.
Seven positions.
Let's go.
Oh, that's
Wow.
awesome.
Wait, what? No.
Respect. I respect.
I
it.
mean, I
He's closed all
I
of them.
accidentally opened a
Sorry,
short
7
position.
total positions. Yeah.
I'm losing money everywhere.
Dude,
Everywhere.
he's longing and shorting the same one probably.
Yeah, but that's the awesome part is like is hedging, right? Is that you can some sexes don't let you do this. When I first started, it was hard, but you can take a position in both directions and keep them open. And that's a huge advantage in terms of hedging when you get in trouble, because then you cap your loss, and I know on Avantis, I've done it quite a few times on here. Man, should have longed this Bitcoin, this little pump here.
Yeah, I'm getting that pump right now. Thanks.
What's the leaderboard, Ellis? I can't see it.
Karen, you're in top right now, it looks like.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
I
Yes.
lost.
also
I
down.
lost a lot of
I
money.
lost big. My Solana trade, it was gonna be glorious, and I just got too
Mr.
greedy.
Lucky. That's right.
Mr. Lucky. I'll figure it out here in a second.
Let's see. Should I? Okay, I'm long.
What's wild is just looking at leverage effects on total volume.
Yeah.
I mean, we're literally trading right now, guys, with $100 per person. We've got Tushar already having about 12,000 in volume. Andy, you've done about 17.5. So it really does compound pretty quick. And
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, like any given day, we'll have like 3, 4, 500 mil volume on our platform,
Yeah.
but the collateral to control that is actually like 200. Our average is like 200 or so X. So the collateral to control that volume is very, very little. But that's the power of, capital efficiency.
that's right.
Solana should pump right now, please. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
but
need that.
Tushar, how do you decide how often you flip the coin?
Oh, I don't decide. It's very random. I'm like, whenever I feel like I do that. Simple as that. Yeah, pure vibe.
Pure vibes.
He's
Gotcha.
given his life over to the coin flip.
He has.
Yeah, I mean that is there, but other than that, I do see the overall chart and where resistance is coming most of the time. So generally, when we see the chart, it goes in a flow for at least for the next 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the downside or upside wherever it's going. So I do see the track of that.
Also, so you only flip the coin when you open, but you close based on your view of the price chart.
Of the coin.
No,
Maybe you
Are
should
you
use-
flipping a coin on the close too? Need to do
no,
that.
he's not flipping on the close, only on the
It'd be
open.
way cooler if you flipped it on the close, just whether or not you're going to keep it open. You know?
I mean,
See how
depends on-
long? I think every time I trade perps and I keep something open longer than like 3 minutes,
You lose money.
100% scud
Yeah.
pulls down.
Do you guys have a flat candle theory? Like I hate trading flat candles, but all I'm seeing on the 1 minute is flat candles,
Yeah,
It is a lot of
yeah.
flat candles, but also you might need to change the asset.
Yeah, I was going to say, can you trade
Yeah.
Doge at a 10x leverage?
Yeah, you
I'm
can.
sure you can.
Mm,
Right?
Yeah, you can do
oh.
altcoins.
So you're
okay,
wide
okay,
open,
okay.
guys,
That's a
right
good
now.
idea.
Yeah,
Remember,
yeah,
you're,
yeah, yeah,
you're
yeah,
not
yeah. I
limited.
got you.
Hmm.
Okay.
Should I do 1000x leverage? That'd be fun.
Do it. I saw
Go
those
look at
those
some of
open
these.
yen positions. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, yen 1000x is actually a very popular trade for us.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Why?
have like
Yeah. Swings.
Oh
we have
my
5 mil
God.
of open interest right now on the
Okay,
yen.
I've opened it. Let's see. I've
We
opened
need
it.
more Forex.
We are, yeah. We're trying to add. Or that's this whole upgrade I was talking
Yeah.
about. We're adding a lot more
Okay, and
forex, a lot
20%
more
loss.
commodities. 50% loss.
20.
20.
Oh man, yeah, this chart's crazy on the 1000x leverage. Oh my goodness.
Oh damn! The moment I opened the position, it was a big red candle. What the heck?
When
The moment
yeah,
I opened it.
dude, it's just a staircase, man. It's just why does it just never stops? It just keeps going up.
Yeah, I'm
Solana.
good to
On
Bitcoin.
Solana.
On the only one that you can do 1000x on. What is
Okay,
this? Is this the
let's
yen? USD JPY.
Yeah, that's the yen.
Gotcha, the yen.
Correct.
Oh, you know what? It wasn't letting me. Okay.
That's a
This-
tempting gamble, I tell you what.
Hmm.
Not if you know macroeconomically what's happening in Japan.
Exactly. Yen's been hyper volatile lately,
Yeah,
actually.
that's why people have been trading the shit
Indeed.
out of it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm looking at it right now.
Look at that thing.
Oh
It's
my
now or
God.
ever, dude. It's now or ever.
Yeah, man.
Hmm.
Oh no, I'd
Oh,
zoom in on
man.
that candle a little bit more and see what the book's doing.
Oh.
Ooh, that would have been the
Solana.
wrong way, right?
Yeah,
Just been
yeah, no, I was thinking about
crushed.
shorting it. Oh no.
Oh, just kicked in the stomach
Terrifying.
immediately.
I didn't click anything. We're good. We're good.
What?
We're good. That's
Okay.
crazy.
Should I close this? Should I
Insane.
close this? Yes, should I?
Man.
Let the
So
coin
guys, I
decide.
think we're gonna even ratchet it up even more on the final round. I think, right? I'm gonna throw them an audible.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's just gonna be
What?
you have to
No.
have a trade open at all points in time. Period.
Oh, I like
Yeah.
that.
There's no such thing as sitting on the sidelines in
So,
battle
does that mean
trade.
I'm like opening another trade and then going back to close that one kind of thing?
If you make it to the final round.
If I make it to the final.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Come on.
Guys,
just
coming
wanted
up
to go
on
down. I know.
halfway round 2.
I'm going short.
Wow, Jeremy's finally making a trade.
Oh, there he goes.
I went short on Solana because it's on the 1 minute. So this is the tough part, right? On the 1 minute, it looks like a double top to me, but it's just like liquidity
Oh, you're
sweep.
sure, right? I see the
Yeah,
I see the double top. We see your screen right now. All the indicators.
Yeah. So the EMA is a good
all-
indicator for overextension. And then that's interesting is a lot of people now use Monday range, but if you see me shorten up, do you see how far above we're trading on Monday range for every single asset? So the theory is that eventually it'll come back within range, but within this 20 minutes, I'm not sure. So
Yeah, it seems like a good top though. I mean, let's see.
yeah, I think, well, the problem is I wish this wick right here was a little bit longer because then you for sure would have taken the liquidity and then it's like an easy.
It's not
Well,
good.
Jeremy's also short. Jeremy's
So-
also short with more collateral.
500x. Yeah.
But then what you learn how to do is you learn how to cut, right? Like, damn it.
I have a question. Are you guys putting in your stop losses?
No,
Yeah.
I manually make.
That's not
I
a
mean-
single one of you guys did. Man.
In
You
my
just let it
defense,
ride, baby. Let it
It's like,
ride.
fuck it. It's raised money anyway.
yeah, exactly. Yes, that's the reason.
That's the reason. That's the reason.
Ooh. The only rough thing on the yen chart is you get this really massive candle and it barely moves the actual price based on how much you zoom in. So I thought this was a great play, but I only moved $1 and I'm like, wow, it's unfortunate.
Oof. What's the
Zoomed in too
leaderboard?
much.
What's
So-
the
so-
leaderboard now, Ellis?
Let's
getting
see.
I just took a loss.
Same.
Ugh.
I'm holding it.
The Solana
I
short
should get
position
out.
was a big loss.
So right now, Karen, your crypto mommy, you are in the lead.
I
Yeah.
just took that loss though. I'm just
Annie, you're number 2. Tashar, you're number 3. Jeremy, you're coming up the rear.
Yeah.
And what
And the
happens, is it like right at the 0 second mark is like top 2 move on or just the bottom gets eliminated?
Just the bottom gets eliminated,
bottom.
lowest P&L each round.
Mm.
If we were doing it live, we'd come out and pull your power cord out of the back of your laptop and call it a day.
Gotcha.
That would be so cool.
So
You
yeah,
guys would enjoy that.
Come on.
it's part of the experience, guys. That's part of what we do. So, Jeremy,
Jeremy, gotta catch up, man.
I know we might be breaking our own rule here to come back and aggressively try and counter some losses, but what we're
Yeah,
gonna do?
I'm doing it.
Nice.
I'm
What do you got your eye on? Oh, look,
I'm
he's
like
actively coming up as we
I'm
speak.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
I'm short 20,000.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh man. Okay,
Big
time to
short.
size up the position.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
really
Halfway 7 Metzen.
short.
One
Wow.
trade that is profitable. Let's go. Finally.
Jeremy is.
There it is.
It's a really awful trade.
Well, your trade? Am I your trade or Tushar's trade?
Yeah, Mike. No, my
Tushar's
trade.
Bitcoin
No,
partner deck.
No, my trade. It's like if I was long. I
Well, this
wouldn't
is
even
your
be going
chance of
short.
not getting eliminated.
Should I close the position?
I don't.
want
You're
this
asking
yen to
us
crash so
what?
bad.
Okay, you decide. Should I close the position? Yes or no? Comment. You decide.
Flip the coin. Flip the coin.
We need to start it on Poly Market. Like we need to hurry up and put should
That's
he
next,
close it on
guys. We
Poly?
have prediction market integrations coming up later.
See,
Let's
we're forward-thinking
crash.
now.
Damn, it's 20% profit. Should I close it?
Oh, lock it in, man. Lock it in.
Okay, done.
Should
Locked
I
in.
should I put the rest of the money on? Should I just go long, short everything?
Yeah, man.
Finally, some profit came.
I mean, Jeremy, you have
Yeah.
6 minutes to come back and not get
For
Yeah, we got
Reversing.
eliminated.
6 minutes.
Nice.
Forever. It's just forever.
6
in,
minutes is so
scalping.
long.
Well,
I
what's
know.
funny is all I needed to do was nothing, which is what I said I was going to do. But whatever.
Woo, woo.
Oh,
He just
wow. Jeremy's a big move.
jump. Yeah.
That was, oh,
By the
man.
way, it's gonna be fast.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm dead.
We're sweeping Monday high right now on Solana.
Not dead until
what it said.
you're actually gone.
That's what
Oh,
it says,
wow.
actually.
I
Oh,
somehow.
no. Soul's pumping.
Good
Soul's
position.
pumping.
It is pumping.
Bro, I've shorted it. Why is it
What?
pumping?
Look.
It wants the
Order book.
liquidity above. It
No
wants
order
the
book.
liquidity above.
No. This is the price
Man,
of Soul
I gotta close out. This yen is not treating me good right now. I was in this position for way too long and like nothing happened. I had like 3 red candles and just nothing.
Should know better than to listen to us.
I wasn't listening. I was just trying it out for the 1000x leverage. I wanted to see what the vibes were. Oh no, it's past
Nice.
my lucky marker. Oh,
Definitely
my.
got some vibes.
I want to short this so bad,
So
but
do
you
it.
can't. No, I mean, it hasn't swept. It's going to sweep. And then I'll put it on. 85.79. It's 85.85 here.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this crazy. This Soul pump, man.
Yeah.
Jeremy, you're
You
gonna
know-
double down on the short?
It's because accelerate.
Accelerate.
That's not-
Accelerate.
Yeah.
That's
Jeremy
fine.
did not know that, obviously.
Okay.
Which accelerates at the same conference center, right? It's
Yeah,
on the backside
yeah,
of
that's right.
the convention center.
That's right.
So those of you in Miami, you've got a 2-for-1 going on right now. The end of the day.
For
Guys,
Yeah,
we have
but-
less.
But you have to
and
go visit
5.
Ray over at base first.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
wait, by the way, yes. So speaking of, for those of you that are watching in the Coinbase House Arena, thank you for watching and tuning in. Again, there's a QR on the screen that for those of you at home or for those of you that are in the convention center, take your camera out, scan the QR code, grab $10 for free and throw it on a long or a short 500x Japanese yen.
Or 1,000x.
Or 1000x.
1000x it is.
Oh, we got 3 minutes. Oh man, and I'm in last. Come on, I gotta
Wait.
do something crazy.
Am I last? What's the ranking?
No, I'm last. I'm last.
Yeah, we got
I'm
3.5
looking at
minutes left.
I look at this. Oh
Oh,
wait,
Jeremy's
are you negative $35? I can't tell the numbers.
Jeremy's negative
Dude.
40 right now.
I
Negative
think-
40.
I think Andy's like, just,
I'm
you
gonna.
know.
Debating. So I want this to crash so bad. Oh man.
Yeah.
But
Crash.
crash.
You want-
What asset are you trading?
This will
I'm doing it.
be,
I'm going
I
for
think
short.
everyone wants Solana to crash, or what do you guys want?
Jeremy,
Yeah,
tell
we
us
want
what's
Solana.
going on in your head right now.
I'm
No,
There's
like,
something wrong with
it's
my
like I did
latency.
like I did exactly what I like shouldn't have done. I should have just like chilled in this round.
Well, now you're
Everyone
all
wants
in.
Solana.
You're basically all in short. So if Sol
And it's like,
dumps,
but
then
it's
you
yes, but it's like I'm going against the trend of the market. It's kind of crazy, but whatever.
Mm,
What did we say?
The-
The market doesn't care about your strategy.
yeah.
It's also, I mean, to give everyone some grace, dude, it's like you're forcing
me.
trades in a situation that we would never, I mean, majority of us wouldn't probably trade, we're all here for entertainment value.
That's
You
right.
know.
Remember, battle trade is a game with real
I'm
money.
out.
Diabolical.
Let's
Same.
go. Bitcoin long is working, finally. Yeah. It was 30% in negative for 3, 4, 5 minutes, but now finally it's 5% in profit.
good work. Good work.
Okay, it's in loss. It's in loss
Conviction.
again.
I
It's
know.
in loss
Penny,
again.
nice.
Jeremy's
3
down
pennies.
$53 right now, and I'm down 11. Oof.
Correct.
Yep.
Big win for you, Andy.
Big win for me by
Jerry's
losing
throwing it
the
on the line.
$8.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
man. No,
Right,
he looks
it-
locked
sometimes-
in.
it
You
gets
win by
levered
losing
up.
the
It gets
lead.
levered up.
Oh, man.
It's so clear that Jeremy's a serious trader.
He is.
and
Too serious.
I mean,
He is a serious trader.
Jeremy,
in a normal day, it is very obvious that you would kick this chart's ass.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Jeremy has a minute though to make it all back. Jeremy,
But this
you've
is
doubled
no
your money
minute.
before.
day.
1000x Japanese yen trade
Yeah.
right now.
For all the marbles, Jeremy, you got 1 minute, 15 seconds to not get kicked out. Is he
Should
gonna
I
do
be-
it?
Is he gonna do it?
What does the crowd think?
I wish we had a
I know.
drum roll, please.
That would be cool.
Next time we need to have like the little
The button?
soundboard.
That'd be cool. Like clapping.
Yeah.
Should
All
I
right,
short
guys, we
Japanese
are under a minute. We
Oh,
got 50
man.
seconds left in this round.
Should I close this position? I'm scared.
Everybody needs to close their positions
Oh my
in
God.
about 20 seconds. So 20 seconds.
Banana
start
short. Banana
winding them
short.
down.
So is everyone here
Man.
negative right now?
I
Yeah,
think so.
Everyone here is
Obviously,
negative
I
right
mean,
now.
it's obvious.
If
It's
there
so
were a-
obvious. I
situation- it's like,
predicted
hey,
it. It's like I literally
let's
said
trade-
everyone's going to be negative.
Chop,
I was like, I should do
chop,
nothing.
chop, chop.
Hey man, I made
sometimes
$1
it happens.
trade, baby. That was the money, baby.
It
Nice.
was.
Closed.
Wait,
Oh.
wait.
Oh, it just
God.
right then too. It's about to reverse. Oh, no. Well, with that,
Sold.
guys, we have round 2 coming to a close. Jeremy, valiant effort, man. You're obviously
Now
a hell of a trader, and
my long is working now. Whatever.
you know
It is.
it's the thing about battle trade. It's the time compression that throws
It
a
is.
wrench in everybody's gears. It's beautiful. So yeah, like the old saying, it's I won by losing the least. Right?
Well,
Like you
yeah,
said a little bit
what-
earlier.
Which I actually said that. I actually said that's the winning strategy. Is to just
That
not
is the
do
winning
anything.
strategy sometimes. That is right. Well,
He was
Jeremy,
oh,
you're a hell of a competitor. Again, we appreciate the service and the great insight
Entertainment.
and the entertaining value. There's a shitload of that. It was awesome. But yeah, man, so hang out. We'd love to talk to you for a second about what you think is going. Well, first of all, you said it a minute ago, right? It's like you don't want to go after the market. You can't chase it when you know that it's kind of positioned wrong, should have held off. Given, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, if you now could talk to you 15 minutes ago, what would he say?
Well, it's obvious. I mean, the obvious thing was to do nothing. I literally said to be conservative, to take no positions, to let everyone lose because the odds are that everyone was going to come out negative. So doing nothing would actually make me a winner. So the smart thing would have been to just do exactly what I said. But it's like the pressure of like being like in this situation, like, oh, I've got to do something.
Right. Sitting there and looking at a chart with no open orders is not
It's lame.
very gripping, but it's part of it. And yeah, man, better luck next time. We're gonna have
No,
you
for
on
sure.
again, and you can defend the title, and we'll do it. I'm sure a much kind of
What
wider.
title is he defending?
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah.
You just won't lose next time.
Yeah.
Put it that way. So, Jeremy, we're gonna pull you off. Hang out. Your screen's still available. We're gonna gray it out, and then guys, there's 3 left. There's 2 more rounds. Next one, we've got 100x leverage. So things are about to get even more fun, even though all of you have been pretty much placing trades for 500x leverage the entire time. Right? So
You gotta send it, baby.
Oh my
good
God.
on you. Good on you. I would say this, though, now that we're getting closer to the end, it is more and more important that you actually put some skin in the game. $5 position, 1000x leverage is great, but a $50 position, 1000x leverage that goes the right way is even better. So with that, do we have any questions, anything we want to talk about before we start this next round? Is there some type of news announcement coming out that we want to wait for? It's just 3:03 right now, so we're
Gotcha.
right on time.
I mean,
guess
quick question. Is there like a minimum amount that we have to make the trade of at least?
You want to set a minimum?
No, up to you.
Yeah, it's up to you guys.
Up to us.
We'll say this one's
Right.
still at your discretion, but take positions.
Mhm.
On the final round, which is the next round, we will say you have to have your whole bag deployed.
Mm-hmm. I like that.
What?
The very final round. Okay.
The whole
Oh.
bag.
The
Yep.
whole bag.
It's going to be 20 minutes of nail biting
But
pressure.
wait,
So that'll be great.
500x lev on the entire bag.
Yep. Split up
Yeah.
however you want.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Right. We are
I'm a
throwing
one trade
caution
kinda
to the
gal.
wind. Not anymore.
Gotcha.
I'm not going to take multiple positions, so I'm going to take one position on one
I got you.
asset. Yeah. So
you
I'm a
said it before.
serial-
You're a conviction trader, right?
yeah, and I'm a serial monogamist. When I'm married to a trade, I'm married to it. That's just what it is.
Yes.
There you
So
go. When you're not married to it, though, watch out. All right, guys.
Okay.
Let's count it down. Let's say 30 seconds, and we'll start this next round. And with that, let's
I want to go.
take
I
a
want to go
let's
right
take a
now.
quick look at the market actually, real fast, and
I
see
want
what's
to go
going
right
on.
now.
Kind of
Okay.
broad.
Can I go right now?
Cry.
No, you gotta. Let's say 10 seconds, and we'll add the timer.
Yeah, Bitcoin's at 81.
Because there's this candle that's going to fill the gap right now.
Yeah, Bitcoin
Like-
has been crushing.
Yeah.
But it's gonna
Oh,
like there's this.
all right,
it's
guys.
gonna go 81,370.
Let's start the round. Round 3 starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starts trading.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Longing Solana this time instead of shorting, just to see.
Man, my entries have been crap lately. It always puts me under too when I do the market. I don't know what it is. It's okay. I'll wait this one.
Come on, let's see what happens.
Should I just not take any trade and let's see everyone lose their money and win?
I don't think you can do that.
I don't think so. Oh wait, I was
Bitcoin
trying
chart.
I'm going to win this one.
Here we
Maybe.
go. Here we go. Bitcoin. Go down. Go down. Go down. You're gonna go
Solana.
down. Yeah.
Solana, go up.
And again,
Right
a
here.
quick plug for the QR for Avantis for those of you that are in the audience, either at the convention center in Miami or that are watching live at home. There is a QR code for a free $10 credit on Avantis. So claim that right now. It's wide open as long as this trading competition is going on. And again, we've got leverage up to 1000x that you can try risk-free.
I like to
And cool,
think
back to that. So let's see what's going on in the charts. So Bitcoin, let's see, we've
Bitcoin's
got
been on this uptrend, man.
yeah,
Last
Bitcoin's
couple
been
of days.
crushing the last few days.
Yeah, just in time for this conference.
That's
I
for
think
sure.
that's why mood is so good right now.
Yeah. That's definitely true.
ETH is also testing this 2400 level.
With the amount of despair in the market, it seems like we had a little rebound.
I think so too. I
Yeah.
think so. I mean, some of the alts are catching up. I mean, like a lot of altcoins have been dead for a long time, but we're seeing a little
Yep.
bit of catch up. I mean, compared to like ETH Denver, when I feel like things were much more negative, people are
Very,
much better mood now.
yeah, you're not kidding. Totally different vibe. Like
Yeah.
that's a great point. Like looking at the conference today, tomorrow, and Thursday, it seems like everybody's turned out this time around.
I think so.
Like, it really
I think
has.
so. I mean, a heavy institutional presence here too, I would say.
Yeah.
Which I think institutional crypto demand is probably at the highest it's ever been. I think it's the retail that was kind of dead for a while, but then it's slowly coming back too now with Bitcoin
Yep.
prices.
Yeah, I think that a lot of people with the recent wave of hacks and everything else kind of got a little bit disillusioned with DeFi. There's no question. So to your point and credit, right? It's a great time to actually be a great DEX.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We're seeing a lot of people actually from TradFi come in,
Yeah.
especially with all the RWA offerings that we have.
24-hour markets are a game changer.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, it's interesting, right? Because like news that breaks on Friday, it's like if you're TradeFi, now you can trade. But I think what's interesting is a lot of crypto traders have gone to TradeFi. And so it's kind of like if you started with crypto, TradeFi actually it feels slower, it moves a little slower. I think a lot of crypto traders can be really successful, but it's access, right? Because not everybody is in an American market that's able to get on an American exchange. So
Yep.
if you're crypto, you want to trade equities, you can do it here, with access. I mean, it's just all about like onboarding.
I think most of us here in the West don't realize that, prior to the last few years, having access to just these types of assets for an investment, good or bad, was not something that was even, feasible to begin with. So
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And margin accounts, like, right? Like, I mean, I had to build up a margin account to trade commodities, and it's like,
yeah.
And I got wrecked a few times. So then no more margin account, so, and that happens to every single trader. I think if you don't get wrecked, then, it's, you haven't been in the market long enough, so basically, right. Oh man.
Let's 1000x leverage.
Seems going to anyways, hey, bro. You get bro, Mr. Unlucky, and hopefully he'll like help your trades out.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot
not
of
like this.
Step it up.
blunders.
Otherwise, you're gonna get
Blunders.
eliminated.
I might have to just take the L. It's getting a little bit dicey already.
I don't know, bro. Again, you just gotta kind of jump in with both feet.
I got on ETH and Solana at the same time right now.
Yeah,
So
you got one 500x long on ETH, and he's got a 500x short on Solana. Both have been open for just a little bit. And
yeah, the Solana one's a hard gamble because like everything looks like it's gonna keep going, but I was hoping there'd be one correction beforehand. Now I'm just getting absolutely cooked on this.
It's that hope from
Market's just
Accelerate.
up.
I'll say this, and this is my pointer to all of you in regards to how battle trade tends to work. If you're starting to move against the market, close the position as fast as you can and switch sides.
Yeah.
I get that advice for sure.
Yeah, and then try to catch the top of the candle. You're literally
Makes sense.
trading candles.
Yeah.
You're not holding positions.
Yeah, it's like the Nasdaq's at a record like 9%. So all the momentum is just to the upside. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not competing right now, but shorting, I think I'd be very, very tactical here.
Yeah, and that's another good point. When you're placing these trades, like look at the candle itself and where it's settling, and use that momentum to kind of decide, all right, is this gonna on the next candle settle up or settle down? Where are we kind of looking? Tashar, tell me what's going on, dude. What's going on in that brain of yours?
Yeah, multiple things. First is I have 4 positions opened, long on ETH, long on USD Japan yen, short on BTC and short on Solana again. 500x leverage, of course, everywhere. Uh, but right now I feel like I should just manipulate Crypto Mommy or Andy to take bad positions so that I can win. That's like a thought I have in my brain.
Yeah,
That
it
would be
always
so
devolves
fun.
sometime into like, let's just juice these markets and see what we can do. So all right. So Tushar, you got 4 open positions. They're $1 each on 500x leverage, roughly, right? Total trade value so
Yes.
far is about 44K. Andy, by the way, you're already up at like 77. Karen, you're only at 5 so far. So more volume,
What?
please.
$5?
Turn up the volume.
No,
That's
5.5K.
insane.
5.5K.
I'm like, what?
5,000,
Okay, fine.
5,000 volume.
I'll start taking some other positions.
Damn. Okay, what's the ranking? Like, I just want to see if I'm going to lose or not.
I'm in
You're in
profit now
second,
in my little
Tushar.
Bitcoin
So
shark.
crypto mom's at -1.6, Tushar, you're at -9, Andy's at -38
Did you say you're in profit?
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
well, yeah, on this Bitcoin
on one
short,
trade.
on one trade, on this
got it.
Bitcoin short, because
I'm about to
it's
get raw even worse. My ETH did not pan out. That was rough. Oh man.
yeah, and we're gonna
Man,
reject
all of
it
you
as
guys are just
bearish
going
retest.
short, right? Too.
Well, I went long on
Yeah.
ETH and it crashed. I lost like
Why you went
$13.
long on ETH? Who goes long on ETH?
Yeah, it's a bad idea, man. You can't be trusting it.
But when I see, you can't trust these candles, really. I'm just gonna cut the in profit. Does that make sense? And then just re-enter.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Oh, well, now I
Wow.
just round tripped. Let's talk about round tripping. Let's talk about round tripping, because that is
Random fact of the day. SanDisk is up 30% in the last 5 days.
Excuse me?
This is why people aren't trading altcoins anymore. Everyone's trading AI and
Yeah.
AI adjacent stocks.
Did SanDisk
Yeah.
say that they're doing some AI something now?
No, they've been doing AI stuff for a while. I mean, last year they've 40x'd. Like,
Do you see
no lie.
Caterpillar?
No lie. Yeah.
Did you see Caterpillar?
But SanDisk is literally a 4,000% gain in the last year.
Jesus.
That's like a meme coin.
That is a
isn't it?
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
that is a
But-
meme
Oh, yeah. We
coin.
got the memification of the actual financial.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Guys, 10 minutes left. Coming up on 10 minutes. You're halfway through.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do some crazy stuff here. I'm down. I'm out of
Right.
all positions right now, but it's bad. It is not good.
Andy, let me suggest you something.
What's up?
Go long on Bitcoin.
Long on Bitcoin, eh?
Yeah,
Wait, why is
that.
it going long on Bitcoin?
because
'cause
we
he's-
love Bitcoin.
Yeah. Are you long on Bitcoin or are you short, Tushar?
Okay, okay. Andy, let's do this. If you take a long position on Bitcoin right now, I will also take a long position on Bitcoin right now. 500x leverage. Let's do this.
He's gonna put
Let's do this,
$1
brother.
on it. I'm gonna put like 50.
I don't know whether this is in the rules.
I just
Yeah,
round
yeah,
trip. I just
liquidated.
fucking round trip that.
We haven't accounted for this before yet.
I like it. I like it.
Oh man, Tushar,
Collusion.
tell me
I
what
just
the coin
lost
says.
more
What the
money.
coin
Yeah.
say? Tushar,
Yeah,
tell you
Maybe
what.
if both of you
it
have
looks like the long
500x
is
leverage,
down.
you can change the chart a little bit.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yo,
There we
Tushar,
go.
hear me
No,
out. Hear me
if you
out.
were if you
Flip
were
a
an
coin.
order, if we were an order book, you could. But because we're not, you won't be able to.
You just or
Uh,
Yeah,
Tushar,
let's-
flip a coin. Heads,
This-
heads. I'll go in long. Flip the coin. Show it on
Okay,
screen.
cool.
Let's
Let's
do it.
do
Heads, I
it
go
right.
long. Go quick.
Okay.
Go quick.
Hey,
Let's see. Heads or tails.
Here's
Yeah,
the
do it.
coin. Here's the coin. You see the
Do it.
coin?
no one in the Coinbase trading arena watch
You
this.
flip it?
that-
Did you flip it?
Oh my god, that's funny.
No, wait. I'm flipping.
Oh,
Okay.
you gotta run it back.
And
Fine.
it's heads.
Heads. We said
It's not
it.
even-
We said that. We're going all
It's
in.
heads. Let's go.
We're going all in, boys.
Yes.
How
Love
did
it.
how
Oh
like
God. Oh God. It's the red
Fuck
candle.
yeah, keep
This is
going.
bad.
It
I'm
will
riding it.
Did he
convert
long-
to
BTC
green.
long all in. I see it,
Did he
man.
long
I see
riding
it.
it?
BTC long all in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, no,
I
no,
went, I went
he's
all
all
in
in.
long Bitcoin
Yeah, oh,
right into
yeah.
a red candle.
Let's
Oh,
go.
God.
You are going to win this,
Oh,
Andy.
God.
Trust me.
Come on, send it.
Oh my god.
Go. Go.
I feel sick.
Go. Come on.
More
please.
yelling. More
Let's go.
yelling.
Yeah, more we
Come on.
yeah, more
to
yelling.
Shar,
Andy, if you yell
don't
more,
even-
you'll make more money.
That's true. The chart
Go,
listens.
go.
I thought he had a real coin, and I feel so rugged that it's like an electronic coin. It's not even like
Yeah.
It's the
I
vibe. It's the
don't
vibe.
50-50.
We were down
He-
like $13. Now we're only down $3. Where's it gonna go? Oh man.
Woo. There we go,
He
It's
dude.
still
said-
negative. Come
To sh-
on.
It'll like tick,
I'm also
right?
Oh,
And then
Oh,
you
we're
just gotta.
positive. Come on, keep going.
Let's
go,
go. Let's go.
go.
I told you. I told you it's a good one.
I
Yes.
want more than $2, more than $4. Come on, give me more.
I'm pumping, man.
Yes,
Okay.
$10 in
Yeah,
one
look at
trade.
him.
Let's
Pumping.
go.
10
Oh,
or
you guys
nothing.
got a
10
good
or
one.
nothing. Okay, we're
Oh,
at 10.
shit.
More.
Really
Go.
pumping.
I
Really
told
pumping.
you.
Go.
It's
Come on.
obviously gonna go. The buy
Come
is
on.
strong. The buy is
Keep
really
going.
strong.
Oh,
Give me a
Jeremy's
piss
back from the
missile.
dead.
Jeremy's
I
back.
am, yeah. It's
Piss
just obvious.
missile. Come on. We're closing
Let's
it. We're
go,
closing it.
Andy.
Take it.
The buy's been like the
Let's
most.
go.
No, no,
Give
no.
me that
Yes.
10.
How
Give me
many
that
minutes?
10.
7 minutes?
Did it.
7 minutes.
Back is Andy
Yeah.
back? And he's still got to make up like $15.
Yeah.
Andy,
Oh,
sit
wow.
next to me,
Oh, we
please.
just turned
Oh, you
negative.
just
Oh my
closed
God.
it. It's still pumping.
It's still
you
pumping,
It's
too,
still
darn.
pumping, dude. And you just closed it.
Hey, it's all good. It's all good. I
It's
take
all
those
good.
10. I was all in, so like
Wow.
if it went south, I'd
Wow.
be cooked.
Short squeeze. It was a short squeeze in my opinion.
Nice.
Wow. Wow.
What
Ah,
do we got?
And you got a bit more catch up though, man. You got
And you should, yeah, you should look. 7 minutes left. You gotta throw about $30 on that board.
that's
Oh.
diabolical.
Oh,
Well,
It'd
it's
be
still
real
going.
devious to short
It's
Bitcoin
still
right now. huh?
going.
Yeah.
It'd be
I'm gonna
real
sh- I'm gonna-
devious to short that right now, huh?
I'm gonna
Hmm.
short this. I'm gonna short this, dude. I am.
you sh-
I
are
can't
you-
help it. I can't help
You're
it.
shorting Bitcoin too? That's diabolical. Unbelievable.
But it's gonna fill the wick, so I probably shouldn't have shorted it. To be honest.
Unbelievable.
See, it's always
Okay, we got
putting my
6 minutes.
entry.
I had to make
What?
up like $20. Oh my gosh.
No,
Ray,
you
we're
gotta
gonna
make
have
up
a
Tashar, why are you
16
playing so
bucks.
Yeah, yeah,
safe,
yeah.
Tashar? Come on.
Just remember, bro. All you got to do is beat Tashar.
Yeah, $16, Andy.
Yeah.
Yeah, $16. Oh
Here we go.
man.
Here we go.
You make
Finally,
$16
finally.
in 6 minutes. With
Yeah, you did
500x
great.
leverage, it's very doable.
No, but like I don't know if there's any good price action besides Bitcoin right now. If I go look at the other chart,
Trust
Solana's
me.
Andy,
Oh,
Andy, why don't you phone a friend? Phone a friend.
Phone a
to
friend.
Jeremy.
Phone a
What would
friend?
Jeremy do if he wasn't
Andy,
dead?
I'm your friend.
Yeah.
It's the long is still really strong. The short is I understand. It's like it's you guys are all
long is
delusional.
really strong
Like
on
I see it. I
Bitcoin?
see.
I think we're gonna bring
and
front a
everything.
friend in.
That's
Listen,
hilarious.
Listen,
That's good.
if you guys were, none of you would be exiting your longs. Think of it this way: if you went long, let's say 85-20, like you'd be sitting there
Yeah,
thinking,
yeah,
"Wow,
yeah,
you're in
yeah.
great position." That's a really easy way to think about whether you should go short. Is whether you'd even exit your long. Your long is like so obvious. Just like sitting
Yeah,
there
yeah,
looking
yeah.
at it. There were 3 really clear longs. There was a clear long at 85-20, another clear one at 85-50, and there was another one at 85-70.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what was the conclusion of the phone a friend? I don't understand.
The long.
I don't have any friends to phone besides the man in this chat right now.
Lost all my
Andy,
friends.
I am your friend. Andy, I'm your friend.
Yeah.
He
You
uses
you need a good suggestion once more?
Andy.
All right, guys.
Tashar-
5 minutes left.
Tashar,
5 minutes
Tashar is
left.
using fake internet money.
Oop.
That's fine.
Like a
Oh,
token,
I'm just
like-
going all
like
in
a-
on Bitcoin
He's
again. I
using
don't
a
even care.
fake. You're using a fake quarter. Is that? I mean,
Andy's
it's
going
just
in.
you know.
I'm
He's
all
just-
in
Yeah,
on
going in.
Bitcoin. I'm all in.
And
I
he's
know
all in
long is the
again.
play, but I don't want it to go long.
All in. Oh, he's all
long
in
is the
short.
play.
Whoa.
Wait,
What?
All in short on Bitcoin.
Just give me one crash.
Wow.
One crash.
Your only crash is
Andy,
going to
let's
81,455. You're going to 81,490. You're
Ah, it just doesn't want to give me nothing. But we take it.
Nope.
It's profit. It's profit. We took it. We took profit.
Andy,
What
you need
else
to
matters?
than that.
at night.
You're right. Just because you're green doesn't mean
Andy,
it's
you
that
need a
good.
good suggestion. Short ETH. Short ETH, trust me.
Short
No,
ETH?
it's gonna.
Short ETH
long.
right now.
Sure, you trust me.
Dude, no
Trust me on
shot.
this.
I don't believe it, dude.
Damn, a soul short would have been
You
great.
know the rule, right? Anybody says trust me, what do?
Don't trust him.
Do
Don't
not
trust
trust
them.
Andy,
What do you
remember
say
the
instead?
Bitcoin
Do
position?
the opposite.
I told you about the Bitcoin position. I'm the friend.
You're the yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm just.
I want a comeback.
All right,
Watch
guys,
it.
4 minutes left. Andy, you got 16
One
bucks
shot,
to make
one
up.
opportunity.
That's right.
Would you take it or would you let it slip?
Let it slip.
You have nothing to lose, so you should take it.
Could I put on that
Yeah.
song in the background? We're gonna
Yeah, do it. Well,
Right?
audience hear it.
I don't know. Let's find out.
That's right.
Okay.
Bring it all in, baby. Run it back.
Wait, what?
Oh, he's back. He's back. Oh,
But it's a bad
wow,
one
down
on
10
Solana
bucks.
because
So
it
you're
keeps going
shorting
up.
Oh.
Soul. Why?
I'm gonna short Soul, I think. Well, no, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. Yes.
Join
yes,
the
yes,
dark
I'm gonna short
side.
side.
I'm
Yeah.
going
Join the
to
dark
long
side. I've lost so much money on
Soul now.
Solana. Let's lose some more. Let's do it. Come on.
Okay, I'm going to long
Oh,
Soul.
I see this top though. It actually feels like a.
It is a
short.
double
That's
top.
what I'm
Yeah.
thinking. It's going right up to
It is
my
double
Y
top.
in the word lucky, you know?
Okay.
Heck yeah.
No, I'm a little upset because like it keeps putting my position way below the market, but that's okay. That's why it's all good.
Oh,
It's
this
all
is
good.
real bad
That's
for me.
because-
I'm negative $18
That's
on
because
this trade.
it's because
Oh,
of
hear
market.
it.
It's because
Hear
of
it.
market.
We'll hear the ad.
Oh no.
Okay, I have long Solana and yeah, I have lost money. Thank you, Andy.
Dude, this is I'm down like $20 right now, and I just have to
2.5
hold this.
minutes, guys. 2.5
Yeah,
minutes.
I gotta
Leave
hold
left.
it.
this
I
position
gotta hold it.
open.
There's nothing
Man,
else I
leave
can
this
do.
position
Hold
open.
it.
I think I just gotta hold it and pray that it crashes.
The best comeback of Battle Arena,
Come
Battle
on,
Trade
bro.
ever.
Not like this. Don't do me dirty.
Ooh, I'm gonna hedge and cap it. No, I'm not. Yes, I am.
Yes, 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 yes. Listen to the voice of your mind which says yes. Just do it. Click on that button. That's what you have to do. Click. Boom.
We
Are
need.
you a
Oh yeah.
hypnotist? Are you like a hypnotist in your other life? Like I mean, like subliminal messaging.
Yeah, I don't
Like,
think I have
just
any
ha-
choices here. I don't think anything else can really move for me to make enough money right now.
No, but you're
Go to
basically
Doge.
screwed. Yeah.
Go to Doge.
I go to
No, there's
Doge.
no volatility. The market's almost.
Yeah, I don't know.
it's
We
not
might get
moving
one
at
big
all.
red candle. It's possible in Seoul.
I
We
need
might- we
one
could get
Yeah,
giant
I
red
think
everything.
candle
so.
or I
Yeah,
lose.
here we
Yeah.
go. Here we go. Here we go.
Make
Is
it
it starting?
big,
Is
make
it
it
starting?
fat.
No,
Please.
no, no.
Please.
It is
There
and
it is,
it's
we hear
not. It is and it's not. It wants it and it doesn't.
I just want you to. I'll
That's
just
perfect.
draw. Here we go, guys. We're gonna. So
Do we
my
have it on- I don't know whether
calculations
it's coming up
estimate
audio.
a giant
hear it.
piss missile
We hear it.
downwards. There we go.
There's that joke, like how you start talking really nice to your car when you're almost out of gas. It's like the same with like trading. It's literally, you're over leveraged and you're in a bad position when you start talking to it all nice. Like you're gonna start like, if I get out of
You're
this,
trying
please.
That's
You
right.
guys are completely missing like what's going on. The market's going up. It's in a clear upswing. It's really obvious.
Yeah.
You guys
Yeah.
are shorting it because you're not long.
We're
Exactly.
gamblers.
I don't
The
have a
voice of
choice.
fucking reason over here.
The ghost
I
of
mean, that's what I'm
That's right,
saying.
the
It's like at
ghost
the
of
very
Jeremy
end, I got
Fast.
no choice here on this short.
It's obvious.
You
You had a
like-
choice to
it-
go. You had a choice to go long.
Yeah, it's cooked.
It's
We're all
it's gonna
cooked,
go. You're
lads.
gonna go. It's gonna fail this top. It's gonna basically go. It's gonna break with like a lot of velocity. If it
All
breaks,
right,
and then you're all gonna be
36
bitching.
seconds.
Well,
Just a reminder,
I'm switching to
and
long.
I
and
told
I'm
you to
doing
go
it.
I'll
long.
be bitching anyways.
I'm cooked either
All right,
way.
guys, we've got 25 seconds left.
Okay, I did
Maybe
the
cook.
hedge. I did the hedge.
Yeah, you did.
Nice.
Yeah, I had to. Because I just wanted it. Oh, here we go. See,
Right.
and then the hedge starts
10
taking.
There it
I'm just
goes.
gonna hold this trade and let it ride since I'm last place
Oh my
anyways.
God, I hate
See what
this.
happens.
Andy, you've been a great sport. That bucket hat is something fierce,
Thank you.
but better luck next
I'm
time.
gonna keep
man.
holding this as the broadcast is going. Maybe we'll come back. I'll be up $1,000.
That's right. Who knew? You know, but all right, guys. So we are officially in our final round. And Andy, look, man, you threw it all on the line at least a couple of times. 500x leverage.
Yeah.
Got to give you credit. Like Jeremy said, the market is in a fairly obvious upswing right now, just based on the NASDAQ and the new market highs. But, that's not in a straight up upswing, that's for sure. So we could have caught some of those shorts.
Okay.
But tell me what, if you had a chance to do it all over again, what would you do different this time?
Go long more, and Solana just shot up, and I'm up $15 right now on this one trade. Now I'm up 20. This is what I never chose the trade, so now it's just gonna come
look
down
at
to
that.
semantics of how much do you want to, call it here.
But
I'm up
both you and
50% on this
Jeremy
long right
actually
now.
just went Yeah, y'all both just went positive had that trade been open. But you know what? If
Too late.
if
It's
we
too
were
late.
if that trade were still open, you would not be in battle trade and you would be playing a different competition.
Yeah,
So
I'm up $40 now. Should I?
there you go, bro. Keep that money. Take yourself out to dinner.
All right, we'll do.
Nice job, Andy. Appreciate everything, man. Hang out. We'll be back in about 20 minutes.
That's right.
Let's see the showdown between
See you lads.
Tashar
The final
and
showdown.
Crypto Mommy.
The opposite trading strategy.
Man.
Oh
Yes,
my
the opposite.
God.
A coin oracle versus a conviction trader.
That's right. That's right.
That's
Oh my
Could be
God,
more
okay.
different. Could be more different.
It's going to be a
Okay.
battle of the strategies in real
Okay.
time. So
How about this?
guys, we
How
got
about,
this.
Tashar, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for who is gonna be our advisor. So you either get first pick, Jeremy or Andy.
I
If
mean,
you
can I
wanna-
take commentators? Can I just take Avantis team in the background texting to take trades off?
There you go.
Because I don't trust your little coin flippy flips. You want to rock, paper,
He's
scissors
like, I
right
just want to
now?
know what the actual oracle says before.
That show works.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock.
Yeah.
I don't
Rock.
trust you on this, dude.
Did y'all just fuck
Hey,
up?
ladies
rock, paper,
first.
scissors?
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Ladies. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Carrie,
Ladies
it's
first.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Ready?
I mean, no, you select first. I want to give you the power because you.
Okay.
if-
Me
if
first. Okay.
you-
I'll pick.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I am gonna pick Jeremy. Talk to me during this last one.
All right.
All right. Talk
Nice.
to me.
Okay, Andy, we are
Seriously,
friends now.
seriously.
Tashar, don't listen to Jeremy and Crypto Mommy.
Sometimes you need
All right,
help.
guys.
This market's super
Cool.
choppy.
So look, we've added a new feature into Battle Trade. It's called Phone a Friend, and it is the previously eliminated players. So cool. We love it.
Phone a friend.
Now, before we dive in, we are it's 3:30, so we're literally running right on time. Kudos to everyone. This has been awesome. Let's see what's happening in the market. And yes, Sol is still on a tear, but it came down just a little bit. So maybe some things showing some opportunities here.
Man.
With that, guys, let's start counting it down. We'll say in the next 20 seconds, we will start the final round. And again, the whole bag has to be deployed. If you close a trade, you need to open another one until the thing is gone and the whole round is over. The whole point is to make this as stressful as
But
human.
when do they have to deploy the whole bag? Within like
Let's say within the first 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
And then
And we're watching. Remember that, so we
500,
can see everything.
500x, 500x, right?
500x?
Yeah.
500x.
Okay. 500x.
But what happens if they get lit? Wait a minute.
got it?
Wait, no. I object. That's not smart. No, because like, what happens if they both get liquidated in the first 2 minutes?
Well,
Then
Yeah.
somebody wins.
Game over.
And I
The
win.
last person liquidated wins.
Yeah.
Yeah, technically, you or Andy would win in that default situation. So cool, guys. Let's tee up the next round. We are almost
man.
done here.
Okay.
Do we want to do what are the 9th inning stretch? When's the stretch? I don't even know.
In baseball is the top of the 7th. No.
Okay, there you go. Does everybody need to stretch? We good to go for 20 minutes again? Final round?
I'm sweating.
There we go.
My hands are
Okay.
sweaty.
Even though I'm not trading, I'm stretching.
Right. All right, guys.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, please.
You're gonna give us
Let's
2
drop
minutes,
the
right?
timer. Yeah, well, you get a
Okay.
20-minute round. We're going to count it down now. So the next round starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trade. Let's go.
Okay.
I would say
Crypto Mommy, are the
it's
kids
long.
watching right now?
The kids aren't watching. I hope they're in school. I hope they didn't skip
Aw.
school to watch their mom
Oh,
trade.
yeah, it's school. I forgot it's Tuesday.
Okay, let's see.
All right, let's see what you guys are
500X.
doing.
I got
So if you look at it, it's the market's clearly in an uptrend. It's simply retracing to the moving
I just don't want to
average.
get
Jeremy's
liquidated.
trying his
I just-
best. To be the voice
To
of
help me.
reason.
It's like obvious. I mean,
Oh,
I've been saying that like this whole move up.
I might
It's a
take a
gap.
gold position though. Am I allowed to take a gold position?
You can do whatever you want as long as it's got 500x.
Okay, it's got 500x on it.
Yeah.
There you
My
go.
all funds are deployed. Let's see what happens.
Let's go.
I'm gonna take a
All
short
right,
position.
Tashar, let's see what you're working with. So Tashar
It says
has,
leverage
you
is
got,
too high.
he's got
Okay, that's
three
fine.
open longs, all
Yeah.
majors. So Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol, 496 leverage. Yeah, man, let's see.
He's on it.
You're on it. It's moving up. Ooh, it's moving up pretty quick,
Oh,
Tashar.
Damn. Okay,
I mean,
should I
makes
take
sense.
profits?
If you're bullish on the market, like you should just long.
Bro, just let it ride. I mean, look at it.
Yeah.
Damn,
Also,
all
like
are
if
in green. Let's go. Tushar happy. Yes.
Tashar just took the lead.
He
Oh,
did? Oh,
Wait, I
man.
did?
He did. He did.
Damn.
It did.
Well, Crypto Mom
I'm-
has one 500x long position.
I'm trying here.
Conviction
I'm
trader.
looking at my,
Yeah.
yeah,
Conviction trader.
you know me.
Maybe do silver instead.
No, you can't 500x, I don't think.
250. Yeah. Gold, I think. Let's see. No, gold is 250 also. So yeah,
I'm gonna
we
long,
can't.
I'm waiting for my entry on ETH, but I'm gonna long it, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna long this thing.
Should I close ETH?
I would look at Bitcoin before you do anything. Look at how Bitcoin's looking.
Bitcoin is fine. ETH is bad.
Yeah,
Your
I can't,
Sol
I'm
and
not
your
gonna,
Bitcoin
I'm
are
not
crushing
gonna,
right now.
I'm not gonna add to the position though. I still have a little bit of time. Okay, here you go. This is my entry for ETH.
Okay,
All
okay,
right.
I'm scared of ETH. I've closed ETH position. I'm opening somewhere else. Let's go with Sol
See, it
again.
puts me in such a bad, when I enter, Ray, anyways, offline, no worries. I'm competitive. Here we go.
No,
Oh
you.
man, I'm sucking right now.
Okay, I'm opening one more long
Call
position on
minutes.
Sol. I have no clue why, but sure, why not?
Here we
This
go.
is way more neck and neck than you might think. It's already flipped back and forth between the number one position between the two of you, like 4 separate times so far.
Yeah, I mean they have a correlated trade.
You guys, okay, so you guys are a delta of $1.22
Dude,
right now.
crazy.
It is fucking
It's
crazy.
actually crazy.
Yeah, very, very, very.
I mean, it's a very similar trade at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Right.
Here we
So,
go on
like-
ETH though. Here we go on ETH right now.
Well, Bitcoin's breaking up.
Hey.
Bitcoin's gonna drag everything up. You're good. Bitcoin's breaking.
Okay. Just
So
tell
should
me
I
when to
take my
close,
profit?
because I'm the most
Oh.
famous round tripper in all of trading, probably.
Seriously?
So am I.
We all are.
The joke, that's the joke.
That's why we're
Oh,
still in
that's a
crypto.
joke. Damn,
That's right.
sorry. Okay, I'm taking profit on Sol. 43% profit is good. I hope it closed on that.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Yeah.
I just
Tushar, nice.
I just round trip this whole thing.
Oh, you called yourself out.
I did.
on the-
I
It's
did.
moving, it's moving
Damn,
back
let's
though.
go.
It's moving. It's moving.
I have closed all the position. I have to open something else, right? Let's go with Sol again. Should I short Sol with $100? 500x leverage.
Let's see.
Ask the coin, man.
Yeah, that's the coin. The
Yeah,
Oracle
I'm
might
asking the
know.
coin. Okay, let's see.
Let's
Okay,
see what
and
the
it
market's
says long Sol again. Damn. I'm going to short it.
Closing.
I'm going to short it just for the sake of it.
Man,
I'm really far behind now.
Tashar just
Damn.
seems like Teflon, dude. It's like
He does.
Yeah.
He does.
love it.
15 minutes. Okay,
It's
let's
wild.
do this.
Sol
15
fall.
minutes.
Sol, please fall. If Sol won't fall, I will cry. In front of the whole consensus Miami, I will cry.
We'll turn that into a meme.
It will be a good meme.
Can be the outro video.
Let's go, Sol fall. Let's go.
Oh,
I closed
nice.
at a perfect time. Oh, wait. I need
Nice.
right. Damn. Let's open one more position on ETH. Should I open on ETH or BTC? Let's go with BTC. Okay, damn. BTC looks okay. Done.
No,
I'm also
volatility is gone.
And for those of you that are watching this craziness go down, if you see that QR code in the top right, you too can grab $10 and short Bitcoin at 500x leverage.
That's right.
That is right.
That is absolutely right.
That is absolutely right.
Time to short Bitcoin, I guess.
Tushar's out there like taking screenshots and reloading balances.
Okay, damn. Should I short ETH? Should I? Let's short ETH. Let's see what happens. It would be fun.
Tushar's doing well. He's up to 11 bucks.
10,
Yeah,
up
he's
11%.
doing great.
Oh, Crypto
Yeah,
Mom,
he's
you gotta
doing
catch
great.
up.
I know.
as we said
I
that,
know.
yeah.
And
I know.
that E short
I
just
know.
fucked you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
And I'm-
ETH short was a bad move.
And I'm
Shit.
not lying, like on my entries, like I'm getting put in way below what I think I'm gonna.
Yeah, it's because the market's a little volatile right now with the 500x. There's it's
Yeah.
getting placed in a little bit below, and it just gets
So
amplified
I'm
with the
like,
leverage.
I'm probably gonna lose to shot. Just letting you know.
Yeah, losing
Yeah,
to avoid
you know.
costs. You know, I
There
called
are
it
worse
also.
things than losing to this gentleman over here.
This motley crew over here, guys. Y'all
Yeah.
have
You're
been
saying,
trenches once or
Crypto
twice.
Mom, are you saying it could be worse to have all your technical research and then lose to a coin flipper? What's worse?
What is
Kind
worse than
of,
that?
it kind of is cringe. I
Man.
mean, that's the cringe. Yeah, like it's a
That
little
that is
pain-
a very,
is,
very
Right?
like
That's what I was
talk
thinking.
about a very like poignant thing
Painful,
that it is being
painful.
flexed.
It's all right though. We still have time to make a comeback.
I wonder how many like random trading algorithms actually hit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
More often than not with no strategy.
Well, I mean, it's a $10 difference, which with the amount of leverage that we're using, very, very doable for
Yeah.
the positions that change between
Yeah.
Crypto Mom and Tushar.
No
Especially
question
because we have
about
12 minutes left.
But
You have so much time.
Yeah. It's like an eon.
Eon's left.
Eon.
Okay, I've opened a long position on BTC now. Let's see what happens. Will I lose all my
Nice.
money?
I had
Well,
a
the
short.
gap
I'm
is
gonna have to
getting smaller.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to close it though because I effing took the wrong side of it.
I have so much loss. I should not have long Bitcoin. Wait, what? Shit. Okay, damn. I'm losing a lot of money. What should I do? Should I close the position? Yep.
But
You
I'm,
gotta
but
stop the
I'm
bleeding
too
somewhere, bro.
convicted. Yeah, you gotta. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Shit!
Boom.
There you
boom.
go. Yeah, Karen.
Bitcoin!
Yeah.
Phew.
Karen's in the green.
Bitcoin go
Karen's
up.
in
In
the
the
green.
green.
Yeah.
Green candle,
wow.
please. One green
Man, it's
candle.
close. The $2 difference.
$2.
$1 difference.
Bro,
Oh my
what?
gosh.
Yeah, $1 less than $2.
We have to make sure we take the exact screenshot the right
Yeah,
time because if he's so
you
close.
get this.
Yeah,
Bro,
Yeah,
what
'cause
the?
it's the-
exactly. Exactly. Because
Keep
it's
going,
gonna be a
keep going,
sprint
keep
to the
going, keep
finish, I can
going.
tell.
Should I close
Well,
all my...
oh my God, round trip.
Yes,
Here
the
we
finally, yeah,
go.
green candle.
Here
Yes,
we
yes,
go.
yes,
Oh.
yes, go up more. Little bit more. Please.
Tushar, scream louder, bro.
Get it?
Scream louder.
Aaron, you got to talk to the chart too. It'll listen.
Oh my God, I'm
Goosebumps.
not getting goosebumps. I'm done. I'm done here. I'm done.
Getting goosebumps.
No, you can't give up. You cannot give up. You still have 10 minutes left, right? We have 10 minutes left?
Yep.
You're not
10
done.
minutes,
Yeah.
10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Really?
So much time.
I
So
thought
much
it would
time.
last 1 minute or something.
I
Let's
have to
go
10
close
profit.
minutes
this.
left,
I have to
guys.
close.
We
I have
got
to close
Bitcoin
this.
long
plenty
work.
of
Let's
time.
go.
I have to
Bitcoin
close
long
this.
work. Bitcoin long work. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Karen, you're back.
Oh, wow. Karen just took the lead. Oh, my.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
no.
No, I
Wow.
didn't. No, I didn't.
was
I had to
fast.
close
Dude.
that. That was
For
a
like
bad
for
position.
1 second, you were in the
For a
lead.
second.
Yeah.
I know.
No.
I
Oh my God.
screwed up though.
Wait, Tushar's up $15 now?
No,
What
you're
happened?
it was obvious. Doing nothing is the winning strategy.
I know, but
I keep
but we're
saying
forcing
it.
trades. But we're forcing trades now. We're forcing him.
Yeah.
And then the volatility is putting me in such a bad
It's the
Spot
yes,
on
the
the chart.
volatility, yes.
Okay. I have longed Solana. I have no clue why. I'm going to lose a lot of money on this trade, but let's see.
Less than 10 minutes, guys. Coming around the final bend.
Phew. Okay. Here
Solana
we
go
go.
up. Solana go up. Yes, go up.
Solana go up.
Yes, anything go up, please. I need that profit. It's a huge position. Crypto mom is already ahead of me. She's way richer than me anyway. Please give me some money. Let's go. It worked.
Please
It worked.
give me
Let's
some
go.
money.
It freaking
the
worked.
Solana, no, the Solana long looks good actually.
Yeah, it's
Wow, it's
good.
going up. It's going up.
I
It has
just heard.
it's like it has the real potential to actually like really spike up right here.
Yeah, to actually move.
9 minutes. Oh my God,
I mean,
guys.
All
it
right,
survived the
it's coming
resistance. I'm like,
up.
doable.
Crypto Mom, you gotta lock in. Gotta lock in.
I'm trying.
quarter.
I am.
That's
I am.
right.
I am. I'm literally trying, guys. Like harder than I've ever tried.
Oh, okay, I'm
I
closing
always-
full position.
I always come in. I always come in second place.
No, you gotta stop. You gotta focus, and you gotta stop talking down on yourself.
That-
You said
that's
8
right.
minutes left.
That's right.
What would LeBron James do right here if he was a perp trader?
Go all
Oh,
in.
he
Go
would
all
cry.
in.
Go all in.
Okay, I'm shorting Bitcoin now.
Really?
I mean, why not?
All right.
Yeah, that's a bad move.
Literally anything could happen.
Literally.
Okay.
$4 apart.
Okay, I'm going to coin flip to decide. Let's see.
And for those of you who are joining us late, just for additional context, 4 traders have gone head to head. Everybody's been seated with $100 in cash straight from Avantis. Thank you, Ray.
Yes, sir.
And well, we've been increasing leverage each round. The lowest P&L wallet gets eliminated. We have the final 2 battling it out head to head as we speak. And there is a QR code that you can claim in the top right corner that will allow for you to grab $10 to trade on Avantis right now. So with that, guys, what are we doing? Are we going to close these trades out, start again somewhere else? Are we just going to
I'm
look
long.
at the major?
I'm long.
You're long?
BTC
All right.
long work.
I'm long. I'm long
Right.
the entire. I'm long the entire
Ooh,
portfolio.
it flipped again. It flipped again.
It flipped. Crypto Mom's long all in on BTC.
That's
All in.
right.
Two
All
Shars long,
the entire
small and
max
BTC.
leverage. I'm gonna take this profit right here because the double top right there.
I see some earned media opportunities coming from CoinDesk.
That's right.
Why am I still negative 807?
Ooh, there you
just-
go, Karen.
No.
No, you're up. You're up.
Okay,
You're
okay.
1.87. You're good.
Sorry, I was a little
It just
like I'm
takes
a
a
little
second for the
competitive.
P&L
I'm a
to
little
refresh.
competitive. I had to
Wait,
cut
you're
it
good.
because
No.
I see a double top, but Jeremy, the
I'm
obvious
losing.
was to go long.
Wait, how?
Oh, no, too sharp. You're back in the lead now.
Yes,
You just
let's
made some money
go.
on oh wow.
Killing it.
Yeah. Crypto Mom, you could have kept your long
Yeah.
open and probably
I
made more
should
money.
have, but you know what?
Mm.
Wait, how much ahead is he of me? Is he?
He's at
6 minutes?
7, you're at 2, so it's a $5 difference.
$5.
$5 difference with 6 minutes left.
Yep,
Damn.
It's anyone's
what am I
game.
doing
it
here?
really is. I've lost a whole lot more money than that in
Just
5
look
minutes.
Wait,
at
what? No. Wait,
Oh,
what? Fuck.
two charges did too.
Shit. Close. Why? Okay, position is not closed.
Man, this thing is going. It is flipping and flopping.
Every 30 seconds it's
like-
flipping.
It is back and if
Okay.
it's like every 3
Yeah.
seconds, back and forth, back and forth.
Jeremy, what am I doing
Hey,
here?
Battle
Long
of
in?
wills.
I did the long. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at a 5-minute and a 3-minute.
It's a flat candle on
Phoning
the
a
bottom,
friend.
though.
Phoning a friend.
But I have to phone a friend. I actually
Look
have
at-
no real life friends. I mean,
What were the
a
other
single,
ones? Phone a
a
friend.
single mom in this
Uh,
industry.
Oh, this is from Deal or
So
No Deal.
seriously,
Yeah, Who
like,
wants to
look
be a
at the-
millionaire?
Oh, is it from
it's-
Who Wants to Be a
you
Millionaire?
Basically,
Mhm.
it's
I forget.
you
Skip.
had the previous
I
double
forget
top.
too.
Can you just skip?
Yeah, can you skip?
Yeah. I'm long.
Can't
I'm
skip a
long.
chart.
No.
I'm long.
The
Even though
previous-
even though this thing's
Alright.
putting me in like
Guys,
really
coming
bad
up on
positions.
5 minutes left. 5 minutes left.
Yeah, Crypto Mom, you gotta
And
find
on
a
top of
position.
that,
I got it, I
market
got it, I
closes
got it,
in
I got it.
15. So you might see, some additional upside come and squeeze out at the end of the market.
That's true. That's true.
Mhm.
Ooh, it's a bad entry.
All right.
See, the
Both, yeah.
entry has been killing me, but like I'm making it up on the momentum, right? So I just have to.
You know that most exchanges, I'm pretty sure that Avantis has this feature too. Do you guys have these things called limit orders?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You're
okay.
on limit trade.
Got it. Do you guys
Yeah,
use
yeah.
those?
Not many people use them, I'll be honest with you. If you're
Not
a high,
perp traded.
no. If you're a
500x.
high leverage perp trader, you're not trying to.
You're not trying to scalp a specific limit price?
No. Just do market orders only.
Guys, we're under 5 minutes. For those of you watching at home, we have Crypto Mommy versus Tushar. It is a neck and neck battle, and whoever wins is going to take home the glory. Right now, we've got a difference of $3 and $3, 4. No, that's it. So it is neck and neck. Looks like Karen just closed something out.
No, I hedged. This is
Oh,
strategy.
interesting.
This is strategy.
Interesting.
This is called
There you go.
game theory. This is called game
No, no,
We
theory.
got 4 minutes.
wait.
This is called
What
game
the-
theory. I'm sorry.
Nice.
And I
Yeah,
just
Crypto Mom's trying to
closed.
lock
Yeah,
in the
for those of you at home watching and in the chat, feel free to drop some pointers.
Yeah, when you hedge, you're capping your loss, right, to a certain amount. So my loss will be consistently this amount. It's a game theory strategy. I'm sorry, like it's just, we're in this is a game too, right, of PvP, so we have to be
It's smart. It's a really smart
Very,
strategy.
very
Yeah.
smart.
But you're
strategy.
also assuming that Tushar isn't gonna have a big
Fumble the
swing.
bag right at the end.
No, well, so basically, Crypto Mom's more or less locked in down 4. So
Hey, wait,
Tushar, you basically have to make $20 to win.
Check your leverage. I mean your liquidation for the long. The
Where is it?
liquidation. Just
Where
click
is
on the price.
liquidation
Click on the-
81,771. You're right. 81. It
Yeah,
says
so you can get
81.
liquidated on one side, Crypto Mom, which would leave you to have net exposure again.
Yeah, that's true, but net exposure in the correct direction.
Damn.
We've got
And it-
3 minutes.
Tushar's at $30. Tushar, come on, man.
Come on, Tushar, don't just drop the bag at the end.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I want
And
to
now,
cry.
okay, so if you look at my chart, this is what a hedge
40.
is. A pure hedge is
This is
You
a
see how
true
this is
perp battle where he just lost his 40% of his bag in the last 30 seconds.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Now he's moving back.
Oh, coming back.
Now
One
I
bad trade.
What to
2
do?
minutes. Because
That
if
is
you look,
true. It will, one bad trade will.
Well, Tushar, at this point, man, you gotta go all in. Like,
Yeah, dude.
just you have 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You gotta
Gotta go
try to
on.
make it back.
Do
Should
Solana
I
too.
short? Should I long? Should I short? Should I long?
Well, you have 2 minutes, bro. You better decide fast. You need one massive god candle.
Yeah.
Like people watching, will Tushar get a god candle?
Vote yes or no.
Yeah, vote yes. DM me yes or no.
That's right.
And if you're right, we'll give you $5.
The number
I
of
have long
likes. The
left
number of
three.
likes.
Oh, he's in. Let's see.
Ooh, 2 minutes.
Okay. 500x Bitcoin long.
500x Bitcoin long
Unfortunately, that's the same trade that Crypto Mom has on. So
at a better price.
yeah,
a
but
better
she's
price,
hedged,
that's
so
I'm
And
hedged.
I'm
But
done.
she's had. She's
I'm
got volatility somewhat throttled.
let's see. 1 minute 40. Tushar, are you praying?
No, I'm crying. Like literally.
No, don't cry.
I
Minute and a
mean,
half.
I would announce that crypto mommy make me cry on stream.
That,
Yeah.
that would go over very well.
No,
You should- You need to put that on our LinkedIn post.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Damn.
All right.
Freak. Okay, I've lost everything. Done.
Letting it ride.
Let's see. I'll hold it till whatever.
What one wrong position trade can do.
That's right.
Yeah.
Lesson learned.
Exactly.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned.
Was there a lesson learned though? Did you actually learn a lesson?
No.
No. Learned how to scalp some candles. Even more fun, right?
That's right.
That's right. All right, guys, we coming up on the last 30 seconds. As of right now, unless we do see that crazy God candle, it looks like, Karen, you have lost the least amount of money.
It's the market.
And with that,
Yeah.
Nah, it's a combination. This is a tradable market.
you know, as long as you're trading the right side of it.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's the situation of being forced to take like a trade and be like the time frame.
Yep. That's right. Time bound perp trading competitions, battle trade.
Close out. Close all
Close them
positions.
out. Well, guys, we're in the end of day 1. Let's bring everybody back up on stage here. There we go. Guys, we did it.
Yeah.
We
Did it.
Look at that. Y'all, everybody lost a bunch of money, but none of you actually paid for it to begin with. So, didn't really lose anything. That was awesome. So, first of all, guys, what do you think? What do you think of the format? Did you have fun? Is there any feedback you want to give your fellow traders out there who have watched this train wreck in slow motion?
I
What do you think?
mean, I'll start. Like, dude, I'll just go back. It's like the worst thing to do is like when you're like there's an uptrend market and you're not in the position to just like go short, even though all my trades were shorts until the very end. But I would say you guys didn't see it, but I've been long this whole time, which is why my mood's pretty good.
Nice. So, you know, maybe somebody did learn something. Jeremy,
Yeah,
that's right.
so
All right,
I
Don, I'm gonna
I
take
kept
this
that
one
last
right now.
trade on, and I actually, just so you guys know, I made like almost like 200% on that. So it's
Wow,
although people may
200%.
so people may have see losses, but this market was tradable, and you just have to like sit back, relax, and like
Just had to sit on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Well, guys, again, that was a hell of a first day. A lot of fun. I think there's been a ton of gems that came through this. Crypto Mommy, you won.
Yay!
And look at you
Yay.
go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
best
feel a little guilty winning
Number
though,
one.
because it was a, you know, it was a hard market to, it was hard. It was a
Oh.
hard market to trade. It wasn't easy, you know, and so for everyone who did trade, you put yourself out there. And I think that's what these competitions do, is they kind of, they put you out there in a way that's a little different than if it's just you and the computer, you know? But I think what's interesting is, like Ray said earlier, is that there's a diverse set of people here, and every single person had some winning trades. You know what I mean? It
Yeah,
wasn't
that's right.
like,
That's
it
right.
wasn't like straight down, no one got liquidated right away. So I think this whole concept of getting as many reps in as possible on just $100 is a really, really great way to learn how to trade.
What's the rule? You have to take 1,000 losing trades before you actually become a trader.
Yep, exactly.
Something like
So
that.
do it only with $100. Don't do it with like $10,000.
That's right.
You know,
No,
what I mean?
do it.
Right.
No, do it only. No, do it only on a platform that doesn't charge you a fee for your loss.
That's right. That's
That's
right,
right.
Jeremy.
That's
He's the
right.
best advertiser for Avantis.
He's a good one. Collateral trade. Karen, I want you to do me a favor while we have you here, because
Sure.
your story is a hell of a story. So I want you to, for all of the viewers at home and for everybody that's actually in Consensus Miami
Sure.
Conference Center, tell us a little bit about like your history trading. What got you here? Right? Give us the story.
Oh man. So basically, I would just go over the gist. Is I was in a super kind of really financially restrictive situation where I had very, very little access to money, any sort of capital. There was a lot of debt in my situation as well, astronomical actually. And you know what's interesting is when you don't have any access, you pretty much have no sovereignty. You know, you have no autonomy, you have no ability to kind of figure out what you're going to do in the future. And I have 4 kids. You know, unfortunately for me, you know, my relationship didn't work out. And because of that, you know, I was pretty much left with zero. You know, I think I posted, and some people saw it, that, you know, when I started learning how to trade crypto, I didn't have a car. I didn't have any ability to get an apartment. I was living in a hotel. And what ended up happening is, and I think we forget about community, right? We forget about all the traders that actually built crypto and that actually built Twitter and that actually built all these other platforms. And I remember I just went out there and I just individually messaged. I hope a lot of them are watching right now, and was like, hey, will you teach me how to trade? Will you teach me how to trade? And at the time, you needed gas fees. You needed a lot of money to onboard. But what I didn't is I could learn how to do perp trading on leverage, and got wrecked many times, but ended up eventually earning enough to be able to kind of exit my situation. And now I just live this incredible life in the industry that I've always dreamed of. And so I just tell people all the time, like, you know, TradeFi didn't have it for me, right? Because I couldn't afford the onboarding and I couldn't afford the margin. I couldn't afford a lot of the barriers that are actually put in place for somebody who is less than average financially to be able to participate in the markets. And the reason why I'm so passionate about crypto is because it truly gave me the pathway and the ability to find sovereignty, sustainability in my own finances, and some sort of freedom. Not all through crazy trading, but obviously dollar cost averaging, investing, all those other metrics that go along with it. So just thank you for letting me participate. And I just hope I bring a ton more people into trading and women into trading, and that they understand that, this DEX is like Avantis. They're made for the person to start learning, the average person to start learning, and then take it to the next level. So thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, your story is always so inspiring. But it's good to get it out there and for more people to hear it. I think that part of this is trading's empowering, right? And part of that you need to flex those muscles where you're not going to take trades out of desperation or out of poor timing, right? So believe it or not, the exercise of battle trade is intentional in that it gets you to force yourself into those positions where you don't have a choice. You have to see the setups, right? So, Karen, if you had to give some advice to somebody who is thinking about trying to learn how to trade or thinking about getting involved in crypto, what would it be?
I would say go with really trusted, safe resources. I've done some work with the NCA, the National Cryptocurrency Association, and they do education from a 101 level, but Coinbase has a great 101 level course. Just start learning what the definitions are. Just start learning whatever they are, right? Like what everything means. But what I would also do is start onboarding, go into a Web3 wallet, start your base name service wallet. So it's tied to your name versus a wallet address, right? Start putting money on board, start learning how to actually fill up your wallet and make small transactional transactions. And the only way you learn, and we always say this in trading, but I think it applies to Web3, is that if you don't have any money on the line or skin in the game, you're actually not learning. Right. So even if it's $1 and Base has made fees incredibly low. So I think, there's no better time right now with all the options you have available to invest to start actually educating yourself. And,
Right.
And I mean, I've known you guys for a long time, and this industry, we've really come a long way, which is insane.
It is definitely a different world than it was when we started, 10 years ago or so. But Karen, that was awesome. Crypto Mommy. Guys, everybody that's participated in the streams today, thank you. It has been an absolute blast. And this is just day 1 of 3. So, Ray, what's right?
I'm excited. I'm so excited for the next 2 days. This is going to be a blast. This was an insane kickoff.
Yeah, man. It's been awesome. It's been a lot of fun. Again, to everybody at Consensus Miami, wish we were there in person. We will see you very soon. We'll be back shortly. And stay tuned for tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of fun. Till then.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everybody.